Good morning, students. In the past class, we have seen about the difference between the financial accounting and management accounting. Today, we are going to see the difference between the cost management accounting with financial accounting. And the next topic is role of management accounting in an organization. Once again, I welcome to the online class. First, we are going to see the difference between the cost and management accounting with financial accounting. Okay. Here, there are 5 areas of differences. The first one is time frame. On the basis of time frame, there is a difference between cost and management accounting with financial accounting. Here, cost and management accounting is future oriented. We already know management accounting is for decision making. But in financial accounting, all the records are from the past. So it is historical data, based on historical data. Next is users. I have already taught you. Here in cost and management accounting, the user of the cost and management accounting is the internal users. That means the company, peoples. Let it be the manager, the workers, likewise. Here in financial accounting, the user is purposely the external user, the bankers, shareholders, government, likewise. Next basis is regularity constraint. As I told you, financial accounting has to be published and there should be some rules and regulations to follow. So, in cost and management accounting, there is no such type of ruling and laws govern. Okay, next. Report timing. On the basis of report timing, much more frequent, often, and hoc reporting to facilitate decision making. Whenever we talk about management accounting, we should know that management accounting ends with reporting. Only with the reporting, the manager can take decisions. So here, the reporting is very, very essential. But in financial accounting, reporting is in the form of financial statement which is prepared at the end of every year accounting period, that is April to March. Okay. Next, aggregation. Usually reports at more detailed level. In management accounting, the reports is very much detailed. It has to explain the causes and effect of the things. But in financial accounting, the reports on the results of the entire business. The business all is covered in the financial accounting. Okay. Next, we can go for the next topic. The role of management accounting in an organization. What is the role of management accounting? What are the things it does for the management? First of all, it aids in forecasting. Forecasting. What do you mean by forecasting? Predicting the future. What will be in the future? What we have to take. For example, we will predict for the future in our home itself. Take our home. The father will predict for the future. He will invest some amount for the children. Okay, here he plays the management accounting role. He makes the decision. Likewise, the management accounting is the aids in forecast. Aids means here it is nothing but helping. Okay, it's a helping tool. Through forecasting, management accounting assist manager. I already told aids, assist, everything relates to help. Help the manager in decision making. What type of decision making? Where to invest? Whether it will give some benefit to the company and need for any equipment diversification. What do you mean by diversification? Modification or changing. Okay. Next, These types of forecastings are done by the manager with the help of the management accounting. So only it's called to be an aids in forecasting. Next, make or buy decision. Sorry, make or buy decision. Companies are often faced with operational and strategy. It's too simple to say. For example, if a company want to buy a machine, okay, whether they can make it or they can buy. Okay, for example, if your father want to buy some television, okay, he may choose which company he want to buy, maybe LG, okay, or some other products. Likewise, the company decision making tool, management accounting, helps the managers to take a decision relating to make or buy decision. Okay, next, forecasting the cash flows. Cash flows is nothing but the income which comes into the business. Whatever investment we put into the business, it should give some returns. Returns means the income or profit. So, forecasting cash flow. The management will decide before investing in any asset. For example, if we want to buy a machine, he will decide it whether if we buy this machine today, it will earn some profit in future. Likewise, he will take decision. So here the management accounting is helping in predicting the future. Okay, so what type of cash flow will be coming to the uh, business, how come it is possible, in which asset is it has to be invested, how much money the company has to invest it. Likewise, it helps in prediction. Next, understanding the variance. What do you mean by variance? Variance is simple, nothing but difference. For example, if something happens in a technique, for example, from this machine, today we have produced 100 units only, but yesterday we have produced 200 units. So there is a difference of 100 units. What is the variance? 100. How come it is done? How come it is possible to get reduce 100 units besides producing 200 units? Here, the manager can take decision with the past and the present scenario. So it can use powerful tools to eradicate the variance. So in this way, management accounting helping the management. Next, selecting viable investment opportunity. Viable means it's a profitable investment. There are many tools like payback method, then IRR method, NPV method. These are the capital budgeting tools we will study in later classes or next semester. So, in this way, where to invest, how to invest, when to invest, how much returns we will obtain from this investment. Everything is decided with the help of the management to accounting. Okay, so here the project, for example, there may be three suppliers. From which suppliers, if we obtain the product, it will be profitable to the company. It will be decided with the help of the management accounting. For example, if you want to do a business of sugar manufacturing, you should get the raw material called to be sugar cane. You might select three suppliers. So here A, B, C. B will be giving the product at a less cost and quality product. So which type of supplier you will select? Basically the B, who gives you the product at less cost but at quality. So likewise, management tool helps in decision making about selecting the investment opportunities. Okay, uh, that's all. So today we have learned the difference between cost accounting and cost and management accounting with financial accounting and role of management accounting. Uh, Take down the notes and go through it. It comes under the first unit. So learn the uh, theory which I have given. Thank you, students. Thank you for watching. We'll see in the next class.